Hi, this is John Lehman. I'm a Medicare Agency Supervisor here at Elite Insurance Partners. I've been a part of the team for just over 2.5 years now. One of the reasons why this is a great place to work at for me personally is because it's right up my alley. It's in my expertise. I love helping people for years now, and Medicare has always been the thing that I related to mostly. I believe that helping people along the way into their Medicare options is going to be one of the most rewarding things about working here, and getting a little bit of satisfaction out of that. Here at Elite Insurance Partners, it's very, very important here. We drive into culture from the recruitment stage of things up through the hiring process. We focus on culture and how we like people to be here as we are. As a family atmosphere, we really hope that the people we bring on can catch on to this culture right away and understand what we're trying to do inside and externally with our clients here. The culture is everything. Our transparency and commitment, our reliability and integrity are all four huge parts of the culture here. So when we bring somebody on, we're hoping that they too can become part of the culture, and which makes us successful. Well, I think Elite Insurance Partners and the company itself genuinely cares about me because they let me have a voice here and an opinion that matters and contributes to the overall end goals that we have. Throughout the years and throughout the months, I'm sat down by both of my senior leaders and all of my senior leaders, and they dig into me about my personal life and my work life and make sure that everything's good. So I know there's some true authenticity there about the caring of who I am as a person as well as an employee. Well, besides the opportunity that presents itself at Elite Insurance Partners and the culture and everything around us, one of the main reasons why you should come here is, number one, because we work with all the biggest and best carriers in all of the nation. We help our seniors and our customers make choices that they had no clue about prior to speaking with us. We highly educate them and give them the nuts and the bolts of making the decisions that help impact their finances, their personal life, and their day-to-day activities. So there is a great opportunity here to make a lot of money at Elite Insurance Partners. It happens various ways, but let's just say it doesn't happen overnight. You come in here with a higher base pay to start with, and you're given a nice lead time to operate and start your pipeline and build starting from day one on the phones. Now, that's going to put you into a senior status a few months later when you're able to capitalize on all of the benefits and income that everybody can potentially have. And with making upwards of 6 figures a year and beyond, we have several agents who are well above that, can possibly put people in a better position for the rest of their life. Now, you can make a lot of money right away here at Elite Insurance Partners, of course, with hard work and dedication, but typically it's going to take you to build up a little pipeline and a little time to get your things under your belt. And with that said, this isn't a short-term opportunity. We look for long-term. We don't hire seasonally. We hire permanent employees to be part of the family and part of the career. So there is a difference between us and other agencies and brokers out there. And what also separates us from other companies in the industry or other sales positions in general is we're still hiring. We're still bringing people into the office to join our environment, to become part of our culture, and to succeed and to breed success stories for full careers. Again, full careers. So what it takes to be a successful person here at Elite Insurance Partners is somebody who is dedicated and committed to hard work. Hard work does pay off in the end here. Being resilient and being dedicated are two of the things that are going to help people in this position. We have certain core values we live by, and commitment is huge. Being dedicated to the workspace and just really showing up day to day and putting in the effort, being coachable and listening to what works. Part of the other success factors at Elite Insurance Partners is really genuinely caring about the people you're speaking to on a daily basis, on a call-by-call basis, and making sure that their needs and their wants are addressed and make sure that they receive the proper information. Having that enthusiasm and commitment to helping them out is going to be what puts us ahead of everybody else, is because we do care about the things that they care about most. Well, the kind of person that would not fit in well here would be somebody who's a naysayer with a negative attitude, somebody who's not really coachable and doesn't like to take what works and what's already been tried and true within and not able to apply that. Somebody who doesn't think that being positive on a daily basis is going to make an impact on the person that sits next to them or the people they walk by in the break rooms. You also may not fit in here if you don't actually follow and believe in the core values that we put forth from day one. Our transparency, our reliability, the integrity and commitment that one shows is of the utmost importance. Not only are you coming in here for a job, you're coming in here for a career. That's how we look at things. So if you don't have any one of those four aspects or all four of those aspects, it's going to be hard to get by in here, and we're going to notice to those people who doesn't have that and won't contribute that on a daily basis. So our training program, it is a 2-week dedicated classroom training in which we then set the agents loose there afterwards, but with the idea of continued education, booster classes, and as needed sessions to help them succeed and maybe learn and dive into things that they didn't necessarily fully understand during the training. So we give them the things to round out everything they need to move forward and be successful in the position. So one of my favorite memories of working here has got to be the day that we all went out and took an evening after work on a Friday night and went to the Phillies AAA baseball game here in Clearwater. Going in and getting a private box with the whole team, having an unlimited amount of food and drinks to enjoy with each other, and again, acting as a family together. We like to do stuff and work hard inside the house, but when we're outside the house, we like to have fun as well. So that's a huge part of who we are and what we do.